Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see the new concept of frustum. So frustum of a cone. So let us suppose we all of us know that this is a cone. So in this cone, if I cut horizontally like this, then the area whatever we are getting, this is called as frustum. So let me draw the frustum. So we can take our glass tumbler, whatever the glass tumbler we are using. So it will be in the shape of a bucket. All this will be in the shape of a frustum. So this is frustum of a cone, where this is R1, radius R1, and this is R2, and this is height. And this will be slant height L. So let me give the formulas for this. So in this frustum of a cone, we have first volume of the frustum. So volume of the frustum formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Generally it is the formula for the cone. So in place of r square, what we are going to write means r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2 h. So that is volume of the frustum. Next, curved surface area of frustum is equals to, generally it is cone is pi r l. So since there are two radiuses, we have to write pi into r1 plus r2 into l. So where L can be given as root of h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square, slant height formula. Next, total surface area is equals to, while writing total surface area, we have to write first curved surface area, pi into r1 plus r2 into L plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. It means that we are adding upside area of the circle, downside area of the circle, so that it will become total surface area. So these are the formulas for frustum of a cone. Now we are starting the example 12. One question: the radii of the ends of the frustum of a cone of 45 centimeters height. So there is a frustum which is of height 45, and the radius are 28 and 7. So the R1 is 28 and R2 is 7 centimeters. So we need to find out the volume, curved surface area, and total surface area. So let us start doing the word solution. So given height of frustum (45 centimeters), radii of upper base R1 is equals to 28 centimeters, radii of lower base R2 is equals to 7 centimeters. Okay, while we are writing any kind of surface areas and volume question, we need to write what is given statement very clearly. Now first question is asking curved volume of the frustum. So volume of frustum is equals to pi 1 by 3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h. So that is 1 by 3. So we can take pi value as 22 by 7 into r1 square, that is 28 square plus 7 square plus 28 into 7 into 45. So it will be 22 by 21. 28 square is 576. Sorry, 676 plus 49 plus 196 into 45. So overall, if we do the addition, 784, 49, 196, 19, 8, 9, 18, 22, 10. So it will be 22 by 21 into 1029 into 45. So it will be cancelling in 7 tables. 7 3s are 7 on the 7, 3, 7 4 the 28, 7 7 the 49, 3 1 the 3, 3 15s are. So overall the answer will be 48510 centimeter cube. Next, we need to find out curved surface area. So curved surface area pi r1 plus r2 into L. Let us find out first L. L equals to h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square. So h square is 45 square plus r1 minus r2, that is 28 minus 7 whole square. So 45 square 25, 20 plus 28 minus 7, 21 square 44, 41. So root of 6, 4, 2466. So it will be around 49.65. So this is slant height. So let us substitute in the formula. That is 22 by 7 into r1 plus r2, that is 28 plus 7 into 49.65. So 22 by 7 into 35 into 49.65, 7175. So it is 110 into 49.65. So which is 5461.5 centimeter square. Next, total surface area, which is total surface area formula is pi into r1 plus r2 into L plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. So already we have found this value. Let us write as it is 5461.5 plus, let us take pi common, r1 square plus r2 square. So 5461.5 plus 22 by 7 into r1 square, that is 28 square plus 7 square. So 5461.5 plus 22 by 7 into 876 plus 49. So here the question, exercise 13.4, first question. A drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum of a cone of height 14 centimeters. So this is a drinking glass, let us suppose. So here the height of the drinking glass is 14 and the diameters of the two ends are 4 and 2. So it will be 2, here it will be 1. So let us start doing the word solution. Capacity means volume. So given height of frustum, which is 14 centimeter. So diameter of upper end, which is 4 centimeter. So radius of upper end R1 is equals to 2 centimeter. So diameter of lower end that is 2 centimeter. So radius of the lower end R2 is equals to 1 centimeter. So he is asking volume, capacity, volume of frustum is equals to 1 by 3 pi R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2 into H. So 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into R1 square. That is 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 14. So 7 1 7 2s. So 22 by 3 into 2 square 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 into 2. So it will be 14 into 22 by 3, 28 30, 308 by 3 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the frustum. Next, in the same exercise, we are seeing second question. The slant height of the frustum of a cone is 4. So let us draw a frustum. So this is 4, slant height is 4. And the perimeter of the circular ends are 18 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So the perimeter is given. So let us start doing the word solution. So given slant height L is equals to 4. So perimeter of upper circle is 2 pi r 1. So 2 pi r1 is equals to 18. So pi r1 is equals to 9. Keep it as first equation, or else r1 is equals to 9 by pi. That is r1 value. Next, perimeter of lower circle, that is 2 pi r2. So 2 pi r2 is equals to 6 centimeter. So pi r2 is equals to 3, r2 is equals to 3 by pi. Keep it as second. So we need to substitute r1 and r2. He is asking in the question curved surface area. So curved surface area is equals to pi into r1 plus r2 into L. That is pi is 22 by 7 into r1, 9 by pi plus 3 by pi into L is 4. So this we can make it as pi only. So here pi 9 plus 3 is 12 by pi into 4. So 12 4 is 48 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area.